Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to check your chain. Is it adjusted optimally, and if not, how to adjust it properly. Okay, now according to the user manual of Cfmoto, your bike should be on a stand in a neutral, and now we are going just to check the slack of the chain. It's a simple thing to do. I have assistant here. She's going to assist me. Now what you need is just a tape measurement, and what you need to do is to check from swing arm to chain link. Measure that distance and then pull the chain up, measure again, then calculate those numbers and see. It should be between 3 and 4 centimeters. If it's under 3, it's over tightened. If it's over 4, it's loose. Now we are going to check our measurements. Okay, now place your tape meter on the swing arm and check one of the links. Mine in neutral is 6.5 centimeter. Now I will raise it up and it reach 2 centimeters. That means my slack is 4.5 centimeters, which brings us to conclusion that we have a bit loose chain. Now I will show you how to do chain adjustment. Alright, the procedure is as follows. What I used to do, I use my markers, just place the line from the original position to see how many progress do I make on this side and the other side. Okay, from the right side of the motorcycle you have this lock nut. We should release it, and then when we release this one, we should release this one on this side and also this one on the other side. After that, you just move this lock nut front to back and see how many should we move. Okay, we released this one. Now I use 14mm key to release this one. Now other side also should be released. Now we should unwind this one. I'm going also to mark the starting position just to be sure how many circles have I turned. Take 10mm screw and unwind it. So I'm going to do a full circle. You can see. Now I align it and then tight this one. Do that on the other side also. Now what I like to do is to place the rear stand and then take some rug and place in the sprocket and turn your wheel just a bit front, so you make tension to this axle and basically put all in place. When you do this tension, now tight this screw also, and axle nut. Okay, now when we tight all the bolts, now do measurement again, and now I have 3.5 centimeter, which is great. It should be perfect now. Another tip also, I use this white marker and place white line like this. So just to be sure, if this bolt ever try to unwind itself, I will see it. That and also every other bolt.